I'm freaking tired. Yesterday we drove back from my parents' house and we left at like 7, I think.
6:30.
6:30, 7. And we were trying to miss traffic and we still hit traffic and then there was wrecks. So I got so tired of driving, we pulled over at a truck stop and
A rest area.
Yeah, rest area. And we tried to go to sleep and couldn't because we tried to sleep in a truck. And then finally, I think we probably got like 2 hours of sleep. And we woke up at what, 7?
Mm-hmm.
And then drove and got here at 10.
All I got to say is sleeping in the truck is the worst possible place that I could ever think to sleep.
And we just slept at a ranch on the sand. And that was rough. But not as rough as the truck.
Yeah, it sucked.
Because it's not like you're just sleeping in a truck. It's you're trying to sleep in the truck with a lot of other stuff in there as well.
Mm-hmm.
So it's pretty rough. But we made it home. And then it rained all day. So I'm taking the day off. I might edit some video that we did this past week at our ranch. A little bit of it. And then tomorrow's supposed to be decent weather all day, so we're going to barbecue, and I think Jared is prepping that right now.
Let's go check it out.
We'll just cut it off then!
Oh, hey there. Hey there, YouTube. Didn't see you there. Start over. Oh, hey, YouTube. Didn't see you there. Welcome to Jared's Cooking. Welcome to Cocktails with the Crockers. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to cook up some Texas barbecue. Come on over and let's learn a thing or two. This is when the music kicks in. Oh, sorry guys. Anyways, you're going to do this is all one clip?
Yep, go.
So one of Jaylena's crazy friends came over a couple of weeks ago. What are you laughing at, Jaylena? One of her crazy friends came over a couple of weekends ago and had the audacity to call me out on my food and challenge me to a cook-off this weekend. So, you know what? I'm taking you up on that offer, and I'm going to show you how the Crockers do it. So just a couple of our sides that I'm going to be cooking up tomorrow. Keep that in there. We keep it real, people. If she trips over stuff, we're still filming. So some of our sides we have over here are some corn. I'm going to go ahead and butter those things up tomorrow, put a little bit of seasoning on it. Got some fresh asparagus. Come on a little closer, check this out. I got a nice rack of ribs. I've already got them marinated, made my own Jared recipe. I'll leave the description down below. Not really. And then follow me over here and look at this. This, my friends, is nilgai meat. Nilgai. Look it up on Google. It is an exotic animal from our family ranch in South Texas that Jason and I shot last time we went down there. It is a crazy creature, but it tastes awesome. I have a special marinade that I did just off the top of my head today with what I had in the kitchen, so it's probably going to taste good because I made it, but I guess we'll let you guys be the judge tomorrow when you taste it. So in case you're still wondering what a nilgai is, I'm going to leave the link up here. Here. I'm going to leave the... What are you doing? Press pause.
Go.
Jeez. In case you guys are wondering what a nilgai is, I'm going to leave the link up here of our hunting trip from South Texas. I'm going to warn you now, it's a little bit graphic, but hey, hunting's a part of life. It filled up our freezer, so as you can see, it's still feeding us, so we think it was an awesome trip and a great way to fill up your freezer for free. So now I'm going to show you guys how to make some homemade marinade straight from my refrigerator with what I have. First, we'll start out with the beer I just drank. I don't like to measure anything because why?
Because you're a man.
I'm gonna get some butter flavored syrup. Add in a little bit of parsley. A little bit of chipotle garlic roasted rub. A little bit of minced garlic. Some teriyaki. Not 1, but 2 squirts of barbecue sauce. And then in here I have some apple juice. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this over the meat tomorrow, but I'm gonna pour some in here.
Why do you have apple juice in there?
I just said.
Oh, to spritz it?
Did I not just say I had this in there to spray it? People, this is why we're family, because of questions like that. You don't question the cook. Then you use your big knife to start with, even though I have a spoon here. And it's done. What are you filming for? And over here we have some applewood smoked chips. I actually have them soaking in water and with some apple juice overnight. What I plan on doing is getting the temperature just right on the smoker. I'm gonna wrap some of this up in foil and just let it just smoke out all the meat.
Probably you quit drinking the beer. Okay.
So tomorrow I plan on getting up, having the barbecue pit probably ready to go about 10 o'clock in the morning. I bought some charcoal, little pellets, and then I'm gonna go out back and get some of our wood, get it nice and, that didn't make any sense.
Just say I'm gonna get some of the wood and chop it up into some fine pieces.
Yeah. So tomorrow I'm gonna start early. I'm gonna have the barbecue pit smoker out in the front yard this time. I am gonna go and cut up some wood early in the morning. I have some charcoal that's in my car I'm gonna bring out. We're gonna get everything nice and good, ready to go. Put on the apple smoked pieces of wood that we have. Add in all the meat. Probably have myself a brewski early in the morning, you know, just with my eggs. Eggs and beer, why not? Because I'm a Texan and I'm a man.
Are you gonna go to the store and buy some more beer?
Are
And
we still
butter?
recording?
Yep.
Oh, well, yeah. And then possibly,
Possibly what?
I don't know.
So Kristen made a group chat for all of us, and she sent us a picture of all the stuff that she is bringing, and she has some pork ribs, and she's also going to make some jalapeno poppers. So I'll get with her, and hopefully we can figure out a time for her to come over, and hopefully it's not raining outside tomorrow. But we are watching some Justin Rhodes, drinking some cervezas, and preparing all this. We're going to get it ready.
I want to know who you guys think is going to win this battle. Me, the chef, the Crocker, the barbecue pit master, or Kristen? Just let us know down in the comments below.
Are you Team J or Team K?
Lame. Are you Team Jared or what? I want to know.
So tomorrow you will see all of the cooking go down, the cooking battle, and then we'll probably update you guys on all the plants and everything that's in the garden. I'm really excited to check out the potatoes. And Tom and Rhonda might be stopping by. If so, then they will be our guest judges for this contest. And also, Jason and I filmed a ton of stuff at the ranch, but we wanted to really take our time and edit that and give you guys a really cool video on that. So that'll be out this week. But tomorrow we're gonna do the cook-off, and then we'll get started on editing for the video from the ranch. And we're really excited about that. I feel like we always say that. We're always really excited about everything.
No, Jason always says, turn this way. Jason always says, I'm super pumped, and he always has a fist.
We think that's awesome.
What are the key phrases Jason always say? I'm super excited, I'm super pumped. I don't know. Leave comments below on what you think Jason always
Whoever
says.
can come up with the most Jason quotes will give you a shout out.
Time to wrap up my meat
But they have to be legit.
and put it in the fridge.
But we will see you guys tomorrow. I'm hungry. Jared's cooking all this food or getting it ready, and we're not even gonna eat it. I don't know what we're gonna have for dinner. Might be a ramen noodle night.
Taco Bell.
Maybe Taco Bell. I don't know. We'll see. And then we'll say now we're gonna check on Jason because I'm getting snoring.
How are we gonna end the video?
You closing the refrigerator.
Oh,
Go.
is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
So, thank you for always watching our videos. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. Add us on Instagram, on Facebook. Also on Facebook, we have the Crocker Homestead family. We have a lot of good information on there. You should check it out. You know what? Let's check in on Jason.
You didn't say and thank you so much for everyone who watches our ads.
Oh, say all that again?
No, just say thank you so much for everyone that watches the ads. It really does help us out.
And thanks to everyone who always watches the ads before the videos. We appreciate it so much. You don't even understand. It makes our day.
Just say now let's check on Jason.
Oh. Now let's check on Jason. Jason, she's filming me.
As you guys can see, we have plenty of leftovers here, and then we'll have some more leftovers from the corn. And where's that gonna go?
What are you talking about?
The asparagus and the corn husks.
Probably to the animals.
Okay, that's what I was telling you to say.
Oh, it's going to the animals. You should just put the title of this video, The Crocker Homestead, Raw and Uncut.